Hi everyone, it's Kathy. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm back today with another product reveal, and today I'll be sharing with you the Gossip Holiday Girls. This is a 4x6 clear stamp set, and it has 4 main images, and they measure about 2 inches wide and 2¼ inches tall, except for the one with the antlers. She's actually 2¾ inches tall. There are 7 sentiments that are included with the set and 2 small little snowflakes. There's also a coordinating die set that cuts out the main images as well as the 2 little snowflakes. I do have 2 cards to share today, and this one is a pop-up surprise card. And when you pull the tab, it reveals the sentiment on the inside, and then you could also attach a gift card to the back of the pull-up tab so that when you pull it up, the gift card is also revealed. My second card, I used the new comic book cover, and all I did was I stamped the comic book cover stamp and then masked off the bottom part and stamped the image from the Holiday Gossip Girls, and then I colored that in with my Copic markers. For more inspiration, make sure you head on over to the Whimsy Stamps blog. For more information about these products, head on over to the Whimsy Stamps website. We'd love to have you follow us over on Instagram and on our Facebook group. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you've not yet subscribed, we'd love it if you would. And don't forget to ring the bell so you're notified every time a new video is posted. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.